Yo, we are back with another video. Alright, so today we're gonna do a little review on my Glock 19, my EDC, you feel me, my CCW firearm that I have. And yeah, so stay tuned. Now that we back, we're gonna do a little review on the Glock 19. So this right here is my CCW. This is what I chose because it's not too small and it's also not too big. This is actually chambered in 9mm. All right, before we get into it even more, see, no magazine here, no round in the chamber. So yeah, I chose this to be my EDC because, like I said, it is not too large and it's not too small. It still holds a reasonable amount of rounds. So I'm actually stationed in California, and California only allows us to have 10 rounds in our magazine. But this firearm in particular, it's standard in 15 rounds. It is definitely standard in 15 rounds. You also get what is it? The 33 round, you know, the little stick, you feel me? I used to have that back in the day when I had a Glock 17, and I'm gonna post it right there. But yeah, you can also put a Glock 17 magazine inside this weapon. It comes with 2 magazines of 10. And I think with Gen 5, we can't get that in Cali, but Gen 5 comes with 3 or whatever. I think this is what a 4-inch barrel, something around that. I think it's like 4.02-inch barrel. Yeah, this one is pretty durable. It's actually very durable. I used to have the clip that used to be on here, and I changed it out for the American flag. You know, back. Don't mind my dog, he's always going crazy. At this point, I'm running hollow tips. Still running these hollow tips. I had ordered the Hornady Defense rounds, and that should be coming. Well, not coming. I'm gonna go pick it up. I think the 24th. I think that's like a Wednesday or Thursday or whatever. Pretty excited. Can't wait to get that. And yeah, I want to do more like modifications on this. One, I'm changing the trigger out for a fact. Once I save up enough money, I want some new sights on this, and eventually I want to get this what do they call it? I forgot what they call it, but they do something with the little grips right here, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is actually, you know, my baby, you feel me? I don't mind carrying this around. You know, it's lightweight. And yeah, that is my review on my EDC, my CCW Glock 19. Now, if you're new, subscribe, share this video, you know, leave a like, you know what I'm saying, comment, and yeah, we out.